Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching the Snipping Tool. Open it now so you can act immediately. First, make sure the window or content you need is visible and arranged. Move overlays out of the way. Once done, you Start or press Win plus Shift plus S to summon capture modes quickly. You want to pick the right mode straight away because the capture locks what's visible. This prevents redoing the shot. Keep files or folders closed if they contain private info. That reduces cleanup time after capture. Now you select the capture mode that fits your goal because each mode controls framing and speed. If you need a precise area, choose rectangular and drag the crosshair. If a single app window is needed, pick Window and click it. Once the selection is made, the capture is taken instantly, so move deliberately but not slowly. If you need a straighter edge, hold Shift during drag. If the UI is tiny, zoom first to avoid repeating the process. Make sure you see the expected preview. After capturing, use the Snipping Tool toolbar to annotate with pen or highlighter, then choose Save as to store a PNG or copy to clipboard for instant pasting. Once done, name files clearly and pick a folder you'll remember. If you needed a menu captured, use the delay feature before starting so menus remain visible. If Snipping Tool won't open, check app permissions, restart the app, or run Windows Update. These steps resolve most issues quickly and get you back to capturing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.